Hello, my name is Craig Backus with DRKM Strategies. My phone number is 817-600-5701. This video today is a primer on how to add an admin to your Facebook business page. So I have come to a page that I am already an admin on to show you how this is done. So in this instance, it's the HEB Chamber of Commerce, and if you have this column to the left, that means that you are one of the admins for the page itself. Otherwise, this would be blank. So if I go down here to settings and then I choose page roles, this is where I can add a new user. So you can see here, in this instance, DRKM Strategies is listed as a page owner, and we already have a number of additional admins. And so what we want to do in this instance is add someone new. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add my wife. So I would put in Gail Backus, and so I would make sure that this is the right one. So it's Gail Wilcox Backus. It says that we have 196 mutual friends, so I know that this is the right one. So I would choose that. I would choose admin, and then I would click on add, and then that would send her a notification to let her know that she's been requested to be added as an admin, and then she would need to accept the notification on her end to make it official. So there's a request and an acceptance. So in this instance, if you're adding me, you want to make sure to look at, if you look up here, I've got this little cartoon graphic as my avatar on Facebook, and so it says boom behind it so that you know that it's me. There are a couple other Craig Backuses listed, but this is the one that has my avatar on it. And so you would just put in this instance, you would put in Craig Backus. I don't know if it'll. So all of these are different gentlemen, so you wouldn't use any of those. You would want to make sure that you're looking for this picture up here. And once you found that picture, then you would click on add, and then I should then get a notification afterward. So again, we'll go back here. So we go to, I guess, to contrast, let's look at another page. Let's say Fort Worth Eye Associates. That's my eye doctor. There we go. So you see, so this is my eye doctor right here, and you see there's nothing on this left column. So that means that I know that I'm not an admin for this page. So when I go back to the HEB Chamber of Commerce, now I've got the column here to manage page. I go to settings, I go up here to page roles, and this is where I would assign a new page role. You put my name in here, you look for this picture, you change this to be admin, and then you click on add, and then this will enable me to make updates to the page as needed, and then also to be able to place ads on Facebook on your behalf. So please review that, and then let me know if you have any additional questions. Again, my name is Craig Backus. I'm with DRKM Strategies. My phone number is 817-600-5701. Thanks very much.